Hello everyone, nice to have you watching again. Today I'm going to talk briefly about this new water management system, sporting a cool name, the YO28. It's a completely new device which we've developed with reference to our years of experience in the seal and hire, and therefore also in the maintenance, inspection and repair of previous water management systems. And we've seen all kinds of things. For example, the water tank being used as a rubbish bin or storage tank, naturally leading to water leaks and even defective electronics. All of these experiences ultimately helped us to develop the YO28 into the device it is today. The ease of use stands out in particular. The YO28 is primarily intended for a smaller renovation project. These may be indoors and involve small spaces, stairs and thresholds, as well as flooring that has to be protected. When you're hard at work, you don't want to worry about possible faults or mop-up leaks. We took all of this into account when developing this cool-looking YO28. Of course, it's extremely robust, which benefits its lifespan, and it's also 30% more energy efficient. It's also easy to transport and leak-free due to the smart drainage system. You'll be pleased to know that you'll be using 25% less water during showering than with similar machines. Another important factor is the water supply and drainage pumps. As you know, this has always been one of the weakest points in this type of machine. Well, that's not the case with the YO28. We've built this device so that the supply pumps run continuously, even if you don't need shower water. The drainage pump switches on immediately when you turn on the water tap, but stays on for a further 6 seconds after you've turned the tap off. This enables the remaining water in the shower to drain away. This of course greatly reduces the wear and tear on the device. And if the water in the reservoir runs out, we've included a visible and tactile warning to let you know. The visible warning is an indicator lamp on the device itself, and the tangible warning is that the shower turns off and on a few times while you're showering. This tells you that there are only 6 liters of water left in the reservoir. It's also useful to know that the optional water hoses for the system come with self-closing couplings that leak barely or not at all when disconnected. So you don't have to worry about leaking, for example, onto that beautiful wooden floor. There are many more improvements I could mention, but our time is too short. If you would like to know more about the YO28, take a look on our website or call this number. See you next time.